Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. So let's go ahead and get this one of these dead branches here. Time lapse. Boy, the back of that knife did a good job on those scrapings. That's going to really increase the ember. Alright, this can be on the bottom. And the shirt kind of separated out the finer stuff that can go next. I feel a lot of moisture in there. Now, get all this powder. We'll save that powder to sit on top of these scrapings. Let's make a hole in there. How about that? And then all this powder will go on top of the fire roll. Let's see now, what I had in mind with the fire roll, since I'm going to be rolling it with this little knife, is to make like a quarter of a cotton ball. That's not a quarter, that's not a half right there, so let's cut it right there. See if we can get an ignition. Oh, so I did want to use ash tinder. So any tinder that you put ashes on will turn that tinder into a coal extender. So let's go ahead and put some right on those scrapings right there. Just a little bit. And this is powder coat. That's very slick. So I definitely have to have plenty of ashes on the bottom board and this top board, if you will. So let me lay that down. We are ready to give it a try. Few forward strokes, tighten it up a little bit. Let's see if we can get this little thing to ignite. Alright, this is my third try. with a tiny fire roll, rolling it with that knife. And this time I'm going to bear down a lot harder and see if that makes the difference. Yep, that made the difference. I wasn't bearing down hard enough. Okay, well, that's good to remember. Let's stick it in there. Put these fines on top. Let's see what we can do with it now. Alright, now that we've developed the ember really hot inside there, let's let it sit for about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and then the next time we blow on it, it should go to flames. You can tell you have a really hot ember in there when you see the smoke streaming up. Well, the wind is blowing, so it can't stream straight up very fast. But when you see the smoke streaming off of that fast, you know that ember is really hot and about to go to flames. Alright, let's see if we can get some flames out of the Magnolia. We'll let that wind bring it back to flames again. Get it over here where you can see it. I think you can see it better over here. There it goes. So we were able to successfully use ash tinder on this. We were able to successfully fire roll a tiny little fire roll with my pocket knife, and on the spot materials broke it off of that magnolia tree. Good. Let's go ahead and build up a little fire. See how flammable those leaves are. I love to experiment, see what all is possible. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this experiment. We'll catch you on the next one.